Hi everyone, welcome back to day 5 of SQL Tips and Tricks series. Today we are diving into JSON data handling in SQL, a super useful skill for modern database management. So what is a JSON file? So JSON or JavaScript object notation is a popular format for storing and exchanging data. But did you know you can handle JSON directly in SQL? Let's see how. So why handle JSON in SQL? Handling JSON directly in SQL can simplify complex data operations. For example, extracting product prices or filtering orders based on total price becomes straightforward with JSON file functions. This method is particularly useful for e-commerce and data analytics, where JSON is commonly used for transaction and user data. Let's understand it practically. So in MySQL, JSON data is stored as a string, but it can be queried and manipulated with specific functions. Let's see some example. So we have a table orders with JSON columns order details storing product info. Let me run it. So this is the order table where order ID is there and order details is there. The order details column is in format of a JSON file. Let's say we have to retrieve the price of the first product in each order. So let's write query for it. So let's run it. So we got our first product price. Let me explain this. Here the dollar sign represents the root of the JSON document, and this part, the products, and the zero part, it extract or access the first product, and the price extract the price. So we can also filter and aggregate JSON data using SQL functions. Let's say we have to find orders where the total price of all products is greater than 800. So let's have the query. Let's run it. So we got our result. Here we have filtered the columns or the product prices or the records which are greater than 300. Let me show the main table first again. So we can see that there are 5 records, and out of 5 records, 3 records got fetched. So let me explain this query. So here the order ID and the product price got selected from the JSON file by this query, as we understand the query from above question. And then here is the filter statement where we have filtered the records greater than 300. So this is the function JSON unquery to convert JSON values to plain text for numerical comparisons. Now some real world use cases. Imagine you are working for an e-commerce platform and you need to analyze customer orders to determine which products are mostly frequent brought together. We can do that using the unquery function that we used recently. So here also the query will retrieve all products names from each order. You can use this data to identify popular product combinations. And now, today's challenge. Your challenge for today is to write a query that calculates the total price of all products in each orders and list orders where this total is above 600. Let's recap what is studied. We covered basic JSON handling, extracting data from a JSON file, then filtering the data from a JSON file, and some real-world use cases. In summary, managing JSON data in SQL enhances flexibility and efficiency, enabling better data analysis and decision making. While SQL functions from JSON, you can streamline operation and gain deeper insights from your data. Thank you for joining this session. Don't forget to explore these techniques in your own projects. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more SQL tips. Tomorrow we will explore a new SQL trick that will blow your mind. See you then. Thank you.